In this video tutorial, I will tell you how to online your shop with ShopNet. ShopNet near local shopping. Open the Google Play Store and install the app ShopNet. And make your online shop with ShopNet very easy and free. App is installed. Open the app and make your store with online. In this menu, two options you will see: I am a buyer, I am a seller. I am a seller. Type your name and type your mobile number, your email ID. Create your password, confirm the password, register your shop. Upload your shop image first and select the shop name. Type your shop address. And press the next button. Choose your shop category and choose your subcategory which you sell: mobile, tablet, headphones, etc. and submit button to press to next menu. Now your shop is ready to selling any product online. This is my shop. Look like very beautiful. And I want to publish my first product on my online shop. Add product category. Select the subcategory. My product, the item name, product brand, and product model and product description. Add some description. Select the price, my product, and then select the image of product. You can choose from gallery the capture with camera. Image uploaded successfully and submit to upload the product. This is my shop and view my product. Look like this. Nokia for sale. This is my first product to upload ShopNet.